Paper Chase Farms in Cobb County, Georgia is one of my favorite neighborhoods. Not just the proximity to Kennesaw Mountain or the Marietta Country Club and Mount Perrin Christian School, but the attention to detail on these custom homes in this specific neighborhood are fabulous. Screened porches, keeping rooms, fireplaces, swimming pools, crown molding, everything that you could want in a customized home in a great location and a fabulous neighborhood. Lane in Kennesaw, Georgia could be your next home. I'm Deborah Morton with Clareo Real Estate. Let's chat about getting you into your new home.